Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an inventory slot part 1 in GameMaker Studio. To start things out, I've already made 4 sprites, an object, and a room. In the 4 sprites, we have just the inventory slot, okay, 32 by 32, and it's not centered. We have the fire staff, which is 29 by 29 because we do not want the object to be bigger than the inventory slot, or else it will look retarded. It is 0 by 0, not centered. Then we have the sprite inventory slot weapon, which means if we right click on the fire staff, it will attach itself to this and create the fire staff magician player. Okay, not centered. Then we have the object player. Just center him and then we are good. I've already made the object player. Just the movement. You can get the movement anywhere. Then we have the room. Okay, so we are going to start things out by creating the object item. The reason why we are going to create the object item is because we do not want to write in our code, oh, if we are touching fire staff, then this will happen, but if we touch the like the mushroom, then this will happen, or if we touch the stick, then this will happen. No, we're just going to write, if we touch this object item, then everything will happen. Okay, so start things out. Let's create our other 2 objects. Object inventory slot number 1, attach the sprite to it, and then the object fire staff. Okay, make sure that the parent is the object item, and then let's start out with the inventory slot number 1. So let's do the create event and go into our code, and then right in here, controlling the variables. Okay, and then let's write slot 1 equals true. Okay, this will pretty much tell itself that there's nothing on there and it is available for any object to go on. Okay, now let's get to the step event. Then let's write controlling object. Okay, so let's write down if slot 1 equals true with object item, slot 1 equals true. Okay, so if slot 1 equals true, then on every single item in the game, it will say, hey, the slot 1 is available, so we want to go there if we are touched by the player. Okay, copy, paste it, and write false in every single one. Okay, then let's write if place meeting, well, not place meeting, if I think that's it. Okay, so actually if place, let's see here, yeah, if place meeting XY object item, then with the object item slot 1 equals false. Okay, and then let's write slot 1 equals false. Okay, let's copy this. So it's saying that if, for the inventory, if there's an object on it, then it's going to tell every single other object that there's already something in there and that nothing else can come in. Okay, let's write true on these ones and put an exclamation mark right here. The reason why is because the exclamation mark says if not place meeting. Okay, so let's check that out, and that is perfect for that. Now let's go into the fire staff, make a create event, and make a code. This is going to be almost the exact same code in our inventory slot, but a little bit more different. So slot 1 equals false, and snap 1 equals false. The slot 1 is what you guess will like pretty much say, hey, if slot 1 equals true, then I can go to the slot 1. But snap 1 is a whole different story, where if slot 1 equals true, then the snap 1 will attach it to the slot 1. Okay, so that's what we're going to do right now. Controlling the object. Okay, so let's write if place meeting. Okay, place meeting with object player. Then if slot 1 equals true, then snap 1 equals true. Okay, so then if snap 1 equals true, x equals object inventory slot 1 dot x. Okay, let's copy that. Then let's paste it and write y instead of x. Okay, there you go. And let's add these into our rooms. Okay, then let's play it and see how we did. Okay, we touched it and it disappeared. The reason why is because of our depth. Our depth is wrong. We need to change it right here. So let's make this -100 to make it pop out, and 100 to make it go in. So let's try it one more time. And if we touch it, then it goes into the inventory slot. Now we're going to make it so whenever we touch, whenever we right click on the inventory slot and we want to get rid of it, then it will exit out. Okay, so in our fire staff, let's make an event mouse right press. Okay, so let's write if place meeting xy object inventory slot 1 with object player instance create x plus 32 y plus 32 object fire staff. And then we're going to write instance destroy. Okay, so let's exit out of there. Let's play the game. So as you can see, if we right click, nothing happens. But if we touch it and then we right click on it, it will exit out of the inventory and come out. Then if we go again, then it'll do the same exact thing. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and in the next video I will show you guys how to attach it to the inventory slot weapons, and see you next time.